Let's say that your Dyson purifier needs new filters. You replace them, but the replace filter message is still there. Well, the purifier doesn't know that you replaced the filters, so you need to tell him that. There are two easy ways to do it. If you use the Dyson Link app to monitor your purifier, you will need to go to Purifier Settings. Under Air, it will give you the filter life remaining in percent. To reset the filter counter, you will need to go to the Filter Management tab. From there, you can choose which filter counter you want to reset. The second way to reset the counter is by using the remote controller. In order to reset the HEPA filter counter, you will need to press and hold the night mode button on the remote controller. The display on the appliance will count down from 5, finishing with the default screen. The glass HEPA filter level will be reset and the appliance is ready to use. If you want to reset the carbon filter counter, you need to press and hold the oscillation button on the remote controller. The display on the appliance will count down from 5, finishing with the default screen. The carbon filter level will be reset and the appliance is ready to use.